Hey, this is Mr. K. Welcome to my channel today where we discuss parenting tips and strategies. Today we will discuss the challenges of managing healthy eating habits for picky eating children. Maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet is crucial for the growth and development of children. However, many parents face the challenge of dealing with picky eating habits in their children, which can make it difficult to ensure they receive adequate nutrition. This essay explores effective strategies and practical tips for managing and encouraging healthy eating habits in picky eating children. Understanding picky eating. Picky eating is a common behavior among children characterized by a strong preference for specific foods and an aversion to trying new foods. It is important to recognize that picky eating is often a temporary phase, and most children eventually outgrow it. However, during this phase, it is crucial to provide a balanced diet to support their nutritional needs. Led by example, children often mimic the behavior of their parents and caregivers. By modeling healthy eating habits, parents can positively influence their children's food choices. It is essential for adults to demonstrate enthusiasm and enjoyment for a diverse range of nutritious foods, creating a positive eating environment that encourages children to try new foods. Offer a variety of foods. Introduce a wide range of foods early in a child's life to expand their palate. Offer a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy products. Incorporate different colors, textures, and flavors to make meals more appealing and interesting. It may take several attempts before a child accepts a new food, so persistence and patience are key. Involve children in meal preparation. Engaging children in meal preparation can foster a sense of ownership and curiosity about food. Allow them to participate in age-appropriate tasks, such as washing vegetables, mixing ingredients, or setting the table. This involvement can make them more inclined to try new foods and develop a positive association with healthy eating. Make mealtime enjoyable. Create a pleasant and relaxed atmosphere during mealtimes. Avoid distractions like television or electronic devices, allowing children to focus on their meal. Establish a routine and sit together as a family whenever possible. Encourage conversation and make mealtime a time for bonding and sharing, which can help reduce stress and anxiety around food. Be mindful of portion sizes. While encouraging healthy eating, it is important to consider appropriate portion sizes for children. Serve smaller portions and let children ask for seconds if they are still hungry. Avoid forcing children to finish everything on their plate, as it may create negative associations with certain foods. Sneak in nutrients. For extremely picky eaters, it can be challenging to meet their nutritional needs. Sneak in nutrients by creatively incorporating them into familiar foods. For example, add pureed vegetables to pasta sauces or smoothies, or use whole wheat flour in baked goods. This way, children receive the necessary nutrients without feeling overwhelmed by unfamiliar textures or flavors. Be patient and persistent. It is important to remain patient and persistent throughout the process of managing picky eating habits. Understand that it takes time for children to develop their taste preferences. Keep offering a variety of foods and be open to their feedback. Offer praise and encouragement for trying new foods, even if they do not immediately like them. Seek professional help if necessary. If a child's picky eating habits significantly impact their growth, development, or overall well-being, it may be advisable to consult a healthcare professional, such as a pediatrician or registered dietitian. They can provide personalized guidance and develop a tailored plan to address any nutritional deficiencies or underlying issues. To conclude, managing healthy eating habits in picky eating children requires a combination of patience, creativity, and consistency. By understanding the nature of picky eating, leading by example, involving children in meal preparation, creating enjoyable mealtimes, and incorporating a variety of foods, parents can encourage their children to develop a well-rounded and balanced diet. It is essential to remember that picky eating is often a phase that children eventually outgrow. By implementing the strategies outlined in this essay and seeking professional help if needed, parents can promote healthy eating habits in their picky eating children, ensuring they receive the necessary nutrients for their growth and development. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed and want to see more parenting tips and helpful ideas.